Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Loft Tool in Fusion 360. So first off, this is what I've been working on, it's the Iron Man helmet here. It's not perfect, it's a bit too elongated, kind of looks like the mask from Indiana Jones. But yeah, let's get into it. So what I want to do is kind of extrude this surface to this point there, so a gap doesn't exist essentially. There's no gap. And the perfect tool for that would be the Loft tool. I go and click on Loft, but this doesn't work because if I click on the surfaces, it says there's a warning. It's because at this point there, the 2 points intersect. It says up here, self-intersection or bad geometry. So it won't let me do that. So there is a workaround, and I wouldn't say it's very professional, but I mean, it works in a pinch if you don't have time. So what I want to do is move the faceplate away just a tad. So I go over to move, I click components, and I click on the component I want to move, and I want to move it in which direction do I want to move it? So I do want to move it in the Z direction, I believe. So I click on the Z distance, and I go 0.01, which doesn't look like anything. But if I click OK, and now try and loft them, let's see if this works. Okay, right. Go to create loft. Some components have moved. Capture this position. Click on that, and then I click on that, and I click OK, and ta-da! It's lofted them. Perfect. So, guys, thanks for watching, and I shall see you next time.